everybody, I hope you're doing well. It is another rainy day in Tokyo. I feel like I've been saying that so much lately, but it has been, and today on top of it we are experiencing a typhoon Lan, I believe it's called. Lan. So the heavy rain has already started this morning, a little bit of wind, but it's supposed to get windier and even have thunderstorms plus even heavier rain later. I think most of it's taking place in the evening / overnight. But that kind of sucks because today I wanted to go out and get some goodbye gifts for people and like cards that I want to write for people and just like show you a bit around Tokyo a little bit more, because most of my vlogs now will be like, I really want to spend my last week kind of in my own thoughts and like meeting people, important people, and whoever I can meet that their schedules are available and stuff like that, because some of my friends also don't live in Tokyo. But I want to spend doing that rather than just going out and showing around, so I hope you don't mind, because I feel like I've showed a lot around Tokyo over these last 3 years and I just really want to do like, I want to see people this last week. But today, because it's Sunday and I wanted to go out, but I don't think it's so safe anymore. It's much better to stay home, so we're gonna have to think of something else to do, and I'll do that another day or show you guys what I get people later. So yeah, I guess it'll be another day of packing. I literally wasn't prepared for this. I knew the typhoon was coming, but a part of me just thought, oh, you know, like tomorrow morning, afternoon is gonna be fine. It's gonna come at night. And it's not, so like we don't even have like proper groceries and food here. But yeah, let me show you my cute little outfit. I'm wearing the TAYTORTOT merch, but today I layered it with this really cute sweater cardigan thing I got on Urban Outfitters. Look at the close-up of the colors. It's like a yellow and orange, like all the nice fall colors sort of blended, and it's knitted, so it's really cozy. So yeah, that's what I'm bumming around in the house with today. And what are you doing? What are you doing? Do any of your dogs hate rain? Rosie's literally like a cat. She hates the rain, so she's held her poo for like 3 days. She finally just went. It was a miracle. But she won't go outside for long in the rain. She just wants to come back in. Hey, you're feeling good now. Walking on sunshine. Whoa. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa. What are you doing?
Stop a douchebag.
My boyfriend's addicted to this YouTube channel called Stop a Douchebag. He literally watches it morning to night, and it's like, it's basically people are doing shitty things around the world. It's international, and they like go and film them and try to stop them, despite sometimes getting fought or like people trying to beat them up for it, but they keep going. Anyways, I think we will. There's a lot of lights on down here, but let me show you what it looks like up here. It is so dark in here. It literally looks like 5 p.m. or something, which makes me just wanna watch TV or sleep. But we should keep packing since I have to stay home anyway. So I was onto these cupboards. This one is Rosie's cupboard of stuff. I packed most of it. Her food and stuff I'll pack later. And then this is my boyfriend's cupboard. In this one, I have some old modeling photos. I don't know what accent that just was, but modeling photos. Suddenly creeped up. I have some old modeling photos, and I was thinking we could go through them together, maybe with my boyfriend, see his reaction. Before, most of them are from my time in Hong Kong. I think maybe some Canada ones. Most of my super old ones are either in Canada or still in Hong Kong, because I left a lot of stuff there. But some of the, some, I'll show you anyways and explain later. Babe, do you want to go through my old modeling photos?
I need 5 minutes alone.
Alright, my boyfriend's not interested in doing this with me. He's seen most of them already anyways, so I'm gonna do it myself and show you guys. Some of these are from as far back as 7 years ago, I think. 7, 8 years. This one's from Japan. This one's not that old. You guys see that? I did quite a bit of beauty in Hong Kong. This one was for some sort of, I don't know what, skincare thing that they put here. Yeah, there's that. And here's one I did for Anna's Sui Makeup. My eyebrows were a lot thinner here, and I also, obviously other people were doing my makeup so my lips weren't overlined. For Mary Claire, Hong Kong. These are all from Hong Kong, by the way. Here's one I did for the billboard of WTC Mall in Hong Kong, and this was like right after Japan. Can you see that? I'm so skinny here. I was literally like, I was under 100 pounds. It was right after a contract in Japan, and whenever I would come to Japan and be a model, I would lose so much weight. Like, I don't know if it was because of the food and just like I was eating a lot less and working a lot more, and you have castings pretty much all day until 10 p.m. plus work, so like just not as much time for eating, but I was so scary skinny. I remember at this time I didn't even get my period because I had like no fat on me. So yeah, like look at that arm. I think it's too far. Anyways, there's that. Here is a Sasatini ad. I'm like barely, I don't know what that smile is. I'm just like, this one was a big one. Sasa is like the biggest. It's comparable to, what would it be comparable to here? I guess it's kind of like Hong Kong Sephora. So this was in all the shops and like billboards and magazine ads. So this was a pretty big deal. Another beauty thing. I brought a lot of beauty stuff to Japan because a lot of the fashion stuff wouldn't really, stuff that works in your modeling portfolio in one country doesn't necessarily work in another country. So my image in Japan was very, well, obviously when I came here I was very dolly and like, so a lot of the fashion photos didn't really work well here. Like my agency saw them beforehand and chose what they wanted to put in my book, so I didn't even bother to bring that stuff. So I don't have everything. This is actually from one of my very first shoots. You can't see me that well because I have like this hood around me, but there's me in my spit. This was one I was really proud of. It's for a new pasta ad, and they used it in magazines, in billboards. It was pretty much everywhere, and the packaging had me on it too. And it was a really fun team, and yeah, I really enjoyed working and doing this job. Here's sort of a fashion one. You can see bridal one, beauty. I liked this one. This was a fun fashion one. They shot this one actually this way, so it looks quite normal, but I had to put my legs up and then they had to tie strings and stuff to keep the bag up, and then in the magazine they flipped it like that, so it looks like I'm hanging upside down, which has a cool effect, but in reality I wasn't. This too. I was actually standing like that, but in the magazine it's like this. So it looks like I can do that, but I really can't. Here's a bit more girly fashion, which I thought would work well in my portfolio here. There's another just nice, clean, simple beauty one. Bridal. I love these bridal shots actually. This magazine was really cool. I loved shooting it. There's this one, this one. I remember shooting this one, and this one was when I was like starting to wear contact lenses, and I was starting to wear them to work and stuff and not want to work with clients who wouldn't let me wear my circle lenses. But this was like the last job I think I did without them, because this client was absolutely like, no, you can't wear them. But the photos turned out really nice. See, here's when the circle lenses started. In Hong Kong, they often will do like one cute look and then one more, I don't know, mature or different kind of look in one editorial. Shu Umura, I believe, the Japanese makeup company. Oh, here's some dark-haired ones. This one was for Vivi magazine. I'm wearing a brown wig for it. There's another one with a wig. And another one with a short dark wig, which I really like actually. This one was for Chanel, and they flew me to Taiwan to shoot this just for one day for their jewelry. I was really trying to do the smiles here. Oh my god. Sasaad. I look like a chubby 10-year-old, I don't know, mixed girl or something. Alright, that's all I'm gonna show you guys today. I also have a bunch of pictures from Japan and more in Hong Kong. Maybe I'll do another part to this if you guys like it, revisiting old photos once I find them all. But yeah, those are some of the work I did before.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Just keeps getting worse and worse outside. I'm sat here editing now. I was just editing my vlog, but my dinner just arrived, so I'm gonna take a break. I got pizza tonight. Ooh. I got extra olives on the side. Half cheese, half El Nino it's called. And then this one is just half cheese, half wild mushroom. I can eat a whole medium pizza to myself. Actually, I could probably eat at least 1.5, maybe 2.
You can eat both.
Yeah.
Amelia has officially moved in, and I kind of like it. You are the perfect height for this. Oh yeah, so I'm meeting your friend Yvonne today, the developer. Okay.
Watch my monkey.
Positive person. So this is about 700.
You can't count it as
what she
residential
does.
square footage or as a legal bedroom. It's one of those weird rules.
We've officially started watching Christmas movies. Hey guys, it's now 9:30 and it is raining so hard out again. It keeps like going in spurts. It's like there's constant rain, but sometimes it's really hard and really windy. And I just want to jump in the bath now and get warm and watch YouTube videos. And I heard that there was mudslides going on now because I get warnings on my phone, sent to my phone, and so yeah, some bad stuff is happening around here. Tomorrow it's gonna all clear up though. It's gonna rain for a bit, but then it's gonna stop and just be windy. So it will be a better day. And I will see you guys again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!